So, what is MapreDuce? MapreDuce is an infrastructure that allows you to perform a wide variety of distributed tasks by writing two relatively small functions, the mapper and reducer functions. These functions are run in parallel on many machines. If you were an engineer at a company with its own data center, like Google or Amazon, you would allocate machines in your own data center. If you don't have direct access to a data center, then you must use a cloud service, which means that you lease virtual machines on a cloud service provider such as Amazon Web Services, Google, or Microsoft Azure. The data and processing workload is spread across these many machines. We say that we are sharding the computation, where each shard is one machine or the data it works on. So the two functions that you implement are mapper and reducer. These two functions correspond to the two main phases of the MapreDuce. In the map phase, your mapper function is loaded and run on many machines in parallel. On each machine, the mapper function is called once for each item of input data allocated to that machine. The mapper function does not return anything. What it does instead is to emit key value pairs, where the key and value are both strings. What keys and values the mapper emits depends on the problem, and we'll go through a simple example in just a minute. Just observe that for each item of input data, the mapper may emit key value pairs. It may emit 0, 1, or many key value pairs for each data item. After the map phase comes the reduce phase. In the reduce phase, your reducer function is loaded on many machines. By the time the reduce phase has started, the MapreDuce infrastructure has sorted the key value pairs by the key. So each reducer function is fed a single key and all the values associated with that key by all the mappers. Like the mapper function, the reducer function also does not return anything. Instead, it emits data items as strings. Each reducer call can result in 0, 1, or many output strings being emitted.